Good evening everyone, this is the GGR banquet hall, and now our banquet hall is ready. This is, can you see the nice decor we are installed today, and this is the ready for the short opening, and we have banquet hall capacity around indoor and outdoor around 1000 plus. We have gone outside and sitting arrangement around 500, 600 around, and buffet will start to outside for the lawn, and this area is for the stage. And now just little bit we will work with balance. We will add the frame for the all areas in the wall, and almost team are ready, and I am the chef Mera, and we are ready for the opening, and our team also ready. You can see the nice rumor. This is the we are added. You can see the different, and the GGR is the different product in Punjab. You can see